Okay, so this is how you take off your makeup with the B2M oil. This is an old bottle, y'all, old prototype, but I just keep reusing the bottle to put my oil in for myself. If I could get the top off. You just pour a little bit. Let me see if I can get this angled right. Rub your hands together, and I'm gonna rub it over the sink just in case anything drips out. I like to warm it up this way, and then just see, look at that, melt out. I like to do all of the outside of my face first before I do my eyes. That way I don't have to be like to take off the makeup, the rest of the makeup. Alright, ready for the eyes? And I just soften up that mascara with my fingertips. Or palms of my hands. I originally rub, and for this I just softly glaze it. And you really could just use your towel, get it off and down the lip. Okay, I've been having hot water on my towel, so I'm about to get it and wipe off my face. And I don't completely wring the towel out because I want it to be a little wet. And this is me in just one wipe. And then I'll do this with my eyes, just to get that bottom liner. You see? All in one wipe. All waterproof makeup. And it's all gone. And then really you don't have to wash your face, but I do anyway once I'm done with this, because it's just me. So. Just to show you how I don't have any makeup left on my face. This is my soap. Now, you know, normally if you had makeup, your soap would turn like a brown, a light brown. And so, look at this. It's white. Alrighty.